Hi everyone, welcome to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can create Outlook mail account on your device. For that, open any browser on your device. According to your preference, you need to type a URL outlook.com and press enter on the keyboard. This will guide you to this Microsoft Outlook official website or the official page of the Microsoft Outlook where you can see the two options sign in and the create free account. If you have already created an account, you can simply click on sign in and sign in on your Microsoft Outlook. But if you haven't created an account yet, then click on create free account will take you to Microsoft Outlook Create Account page. Once you have entered your email address, you need to click on Next. You need to create a password. So if you want to reset your password after you enter the password, you need to click on this checkbox and you can see your password and recheck it. So if you like to information tips and offer about Microsoft products and services, you can click on this checkbox and tick mark it, but if you don't want, then leave as it is. So now click on next. You need to enter your name, but first on this box it is up here. If you want to save your password, then click on save. If you don't want, then click on never. And now you need to enter your first name. After you have entered your name, click on next. And now enter your country or region and your birth date. Enter your day here and the month. After you are done with this, click on next. And now you need to solve problems so we know you are not a robot. So click on next now and use the arrow to rotate the object to face in the direction of the hand. So you need to rotate the arrow like this and match this angle. Now click on submit. So the verification is completed and you are proven that you are human. So if you want to stay sign in so you don't have to sign in again next time, so click on this checkbox. If you don't want, then leave as it is. Now click on yes. So now here you can see that you have already created an account on MS Outlook. So if you like this video useful, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more tutorial videos. Thank you.